wind is blowing across the truck. We are finished with our stay at Kap-Kig-Iwan. It was pretty awesome. What an amazing little park. Such nice views of the waterfall and so many trails that we unfortunately didn't get to do most of.
No, we did a lot of them.
Okay, we did some of them, and we hiked all over in a lot of different ways and went on some day trips and had a great time. And now we're on to Ivanhoe Lake Provincial Park. We're going to be there for 3 days, and we are going to start our next little adventure during our 2021 Northern Camping Escape. Chitra is cleaning her socks.
They have dog hair all over them.
The joys of camping with the dog. We'll be heading up the Trans-Canada Highway through Timmins and then into Ivanhoe Park. They say if we didn't have a trailer, it would be 6 hours and 16 minutes, otherwise known as 280 kilometers. It'll be longer for us, but that's okay.
6 hours? 3 hours and 16 minutes, girl.
I'm dyslexic. 3 hours and 16 minutes, 280 kilometers.
I am dyslexic.
One of us. One of us is dyslexic.
Yes, but I was the one speaking.
All right, let's go.
I don't know. I don't know if to trust her. She's a little...
Okay, then.
Nice team. Besides that, they're supposed to not get it.
Thank you.
Thanks.
So we just arrived at Ivanhoe Lake. We had to drive through Timmins and stop there and got gas because there is 109 kilometers between Timmins and the next gas station, which is in Foyette. So keep that in mind if you're coming this way. From Foyette to the next gas station, there's 94 kilometers. So make sure you're filled up before you head in or head out. So we just filled up with water, and now we're heading to our site. It's a pull-through site, which is always nice. We did see a loon. We saw a loon as soon as we passed the dam, so we drove over a dam, and right there in a beautiful spot of sunlight was a beautiful, gorgeous loon. So hoping that we get to see some more and hear some loon calls while we're here, because we have yet to really hear too many. So here we are at Ivanhoe Lake Provincial Park. Chloe always likes anything that has sand and water. This morning what we did was we quickly hiked the bog trail, Can I have a bunks? Oh, thank you. So this is the boat launch, and you can see, if I get to the edge here, how quickly it drops off. It's so adorable. We would call it probably a day use area. Lots of open area. You could fly a kite, especially today. You could fly a kite in this spot. And